Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to solve maximum sum combination. Now, here we are given two arrays A and B. Both of them have size n. Now we have to return a sum combination, which will be adding one element from the first array and other element from the second array, such combinations. And we have to return k sum combinations, but they need to be valid and they need to be in decreasing order, right? Here it is written maximum valid k valid sum combinations, and it should be in non-decreasing order. We will look at example one. See, the size of the array is 2. Both the arrays are of size 2. First having elements 3 and 2, second having elements 1 and 4. Now if we add 3 from the first and 4 from the second, it will yield a sum 7. And if we add 2 from the first and 4 from the second, it will yield the sum 6. Now this will be our output 7 and 6. We have to return only 2 because 2 k is given as 2. And now we have to return in non-decreasing, which is descending order, right? So it should be in 7 and 6. Fine. And this is what we have to return. So I tried this question first using the array method, but that didn't work because last 4 5 uh, test cases were failing due to time complexity. They were getting TLE error. Now I came up with new solution, and I will be solving this question using heap. Okay, so I will tell you about my intuition first. So first we will sort both the arrays A and B in the descending order, right? So let me do that first. So I will just sort both the arrays, and I'll just do reverse equal to true so that it will be in descending order. Alongside that, I will create a result array and a priority queue. Heap is our priority queue. And one more thing, I will have to import heap, right? Now after that, I'll tell you about my intuition first. Then I will try to solve this question. So this is till now we have sorted both the arrays in descending order and created two arrays. One is result and other is priority queue, right? So first we will initialize the priority queue, which is a heap, to keep the track of potential sum combinations. Cool. Now we can take advantage of the fact that in the sorted arrays, the largest sum combinations will be formed by the largest elements from both the arrays. Okay, which is given in the question. Now we will start by pushing the negative of the sum of the largest element from A and B into the heap, which is priority key, right? I will repeat again. I will be starting to put the negative of the sum of the largest elements from A and B into the priority queue, which is heap. So I will do that first, then I will solve further. So we'll just do heap push negative of the sum. Cool. So AI plus B 0. Now after that we will be popping the elements. Okay. So as we will be popping the elements from the heap, which is storing the negative values. Okay. Now we can calculate side by side and alongside the next potential combination by replacing one element from the array B with the next largest element from the B. Okay, we have already taken A from A, largest element, and we'll be replacing like all the combinations. We started from zeroth element, then first, second, third, and already sort B array is also sorted in descending order. Cool. So by this we are just comparing the potential combinations. That is why we started with zeroth element of the array B. Cool. Now, as we find such potential combinations, we will be keep pushing them into the heap, which is priority queue. Now we will repeat this process until we have found the k valid sum combinations. Okay, which is our question. So we just start with k while k is greater than 0. So I'll create a variable called current. Okay. Now this will store the popped out element, which is the potential, like current potential sum. Okay, now I will append this. I'm doing this because the heap which is priority queue was storing negative, and I'm again doing negative so that it becomes positive. Cool. Now, if first element of the current is less than n minus 1. So again, we stored the current. Now we'll store the next potential sum. Is again negative of negative, which is positive. Cool. Eh, Now current 0 minus first, and then an addition. Again heat push. Next, oh, current. And I will just reduce the value of k by 1 so that we can get the k valid such combinations. I will test it on the example cases. Why is it taking so much time? I think it broke somewhere because it's taking a lot of time. Okay, yeah. Heap. Okay. Yeah. Whenever it takes more time than usual, that means key it is breaking somewhere. And this time it should work. Yeah, it's able to solve all the possible solutions. So if you have liked the approach, you can like the video as well, and you can even share with your friends. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.